We are in Söderköping by the rabbits helping each other on our way down to Karlskrona for the wedding this Saturday. Today's first day.
What have I done? What have I done? Share the adventure, join all the fun.
We were at the venue and now we're heading up to where the ceremony church, and we're taking this back road up because some of the pictures that my wife is going to be taking tomorrow will be along this route. And I guess we were hoping for more autumny, more splendor colors, but you don't really get that a whole lot in this part of the south just because of the kind of trees they have here. Where did she go? Where did she go? There she is! Here she comes! Here she comes again! Shoo. We're in the church and they are rehearsing the going in and now in a moment the going out. I'm up on the balcony because I'm gonna have a camera set here, which will give you this view over, and then I will also be down here on the right running up and forward. I'll catch the close-ups and stuff. The only problem is the groomsmen because I will have their backs. I will have their backs. But maybe there's a little bit of a space there actually where I could sneak in. I guess if no one's using it for a wheelchair to get the groomsmen from the front. It is now Saturday, the wedding day, and preparations are continuing. We're getting the 1950s projector going with the screen that won't go higher than that. Someone's going to show a PowerPoint. I'm down by the car waiting for my in-laws to come, and I felt something in my jacket, and there was this program from my great aunt's funeral on August 10th of 2018. That was the last time I wore this suit. Amazing Grace solo.
Blunda eller betala, kärringjävel! Skrek vi.
I got a call from my doctor today to follow up on the checkup we did with the ultrasound shockwave thingy, and everything looks good in that department. So, I need to keep eating right and keep exercising, and hopefully I can get rid of the fat lumps on my liver. Yeah. Then I wish her a Merry Christmas because we're going to talk again in January. Now I'm going to go to the store and buy some food because we've been away for a few days, as you know. And I need my milk. Even though we've been back at the office when we've had certain things to do connected to the office, today is the sort of the official going back to the office after the restrictions were lifted last week. I have an eye infection. I've not been in a fight, as far as I know. I'm just being punished for being such a good person in general. I don't know. Karma is a lady dog. But yes, we had a good brainstorming meeting just now. Now I'm gonna pick up lunch, eat lunch, and then edit some stuff. And then we're gonna have a filming session tonight.
Ambitionen är att vi ska ha 10 tandpatruller runt om i landet.
It's been a long day with filming with one of our ministers, and I'm actually going to be filming with the same minister at a pub in just a few minutes.
Sätt att organisera samhället på. Och arbetarrörelsen, det är så intressant, redan 1944
I am on my way to the town of Katrineholm to give a presentation to people working with representatives locally in different counties. I just ran into one of the members of parliament, the one that I think I've had the most contact with since I started here, Eva Lind, who was having to give a presentation for the S-Kvinnor, Social Democratic Women group. So it's cool to be in the action of things. All right, it's showtime.
Och Martin Arvebro,
Woo!
YouTuber och digital producent.
Journalister plus politiker lika med sant.
I am back in Stockholm, and it's a mixture of people who apparently ran the Stockholm Marathon that was today. I did not know that. People dressed in Sweden shirts because Team Sweden are playing Kosovo in an hour, and other people in general. The presentation went well. It was fun. I made some jokes and they laughed and stuff and thought, you should be a comedian. And I was like, but I have a message to give to you and not just laughter. But I'm going to use the laughter to make you listen to what I have to say. I just did an evening 5K hill and woods run. Felt pretty good. A little shoulder pain as usual, but it felt pretty good. Suddenly I was just over the finish line. I was aiming to do a 10K, but it's getting dark and it would be really dark by the time I'd finish, so let's go home and have dinner. It is Monday. I am in the auditorium where we were about a week and a half ago when the nominee for the new party leader was presented right here, over there. And we're gonna test some equipment stuff. It is game day. Sweden is gonna play Greece, and I was supposed to surprise my wife with this, but she is at home sick, so I'm gonna bring her dad instead. Let's go. Sweden win 2-0 and are back in front in the group. Now I'm gonna enjoy myself 40 minutes of walking home, and it's cold. Those couple of minutes of the day when it's sunny, when I have direct sunlight straight into my office, is something I need to harvest and remember when we go into late October and November and the darkness. It is Wednesday. On Sunday, I will begin a journey up north to visit 3 different towns to film. And most of the stuff was sorted out today, more or less, with good people working with you, along with you. So, yeah, I haven't been up north since the week before the pandemic. That was basically my last trip before, a week before pandemic, really, before toilet paper day happened. So a good day. Everybody's a little tired from exhaustive work stuff, to say the least. So 2 more days and then we go.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I had a goddamn cold. But I'm still gonna give the presentation for the team at a distance before we head out on the road. We're about 50 kilometers east of the town. Look at that light. We're gonna film with a woman down by the river. Down by the river. I walked all the way up to the biathlon arena just to get maybe a 4-second shot for a Places video on the Swedish language Instagram. With the heavy bag as well. Train is already here, so. Alright, this is gonna be my home for the next 10 hours or so. I have put the white cream on my face because it's a dry face and dry skin. And I have my own pillow with me from home because I'm a snob. Welcome to the town of Gällivare. 1,313 kilometers from Stockholm. All right, now I'm gonna try and find the place where I'm staying tonight. Drop off my bag. Look at the sun. Welcome to my temporary home for one night. I even have a fridge. Yeah, and I have free beds. 1, 2, 3. This is probably me not knowing this, but there might be less of a chance to see the northern light if it's snowing. Nice warm shower. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I'm gonna have myself a good sleep. It's been snowing a lot, and it ain't gonna stop. I have reached the metropolis of Töre, which is my only change on the way to Haparanda. Problem is, we're 40 minutes late, which means I now have to wait for an hour and a half. Hey, here's the thing. I really want to kick that. I really want to kick that. I kicked it. Well, made it to the hotel. About to do the first of 3 film shoots here in Haparanda with a little girl called Elsa. Look, there's the hotel that I visited when I was here a year and a half ago, a week before the pandemic. We just didn't know. Well, we knew some, but not the full extent of what was to come. I am all alone. No one's here with me. All right, participated in a lecture. Now I'm gonna go down the stairs and check out. And then I'm gonna meet up with my friend Linda. And we're gonna have lunch, probably in Finland. I know. Hitta whatever, Gordon pizza, en limonata, club sandwich. Vacker flicka. Romantisch. I am ahead of time right now. Because I'm in Finland. Look at those Finnish people over there. Look at that Finnish car. Bye Finland for now. Hopefully see you soon again. Whether it be up north here or down south. Well, the replacement bus took us to Luleå, which is the origin stop for the train I'm catching. So instead of tagging along with the bus to Boden, I jumped on here instead. So this is my cabin. It is mirrored to the one I was in before. I hope I go out the door, not out the window tomorrow. I was sitting on the train home and watching Netflix series, and this guy in front of me, he catches my attention. I take my plugs out and he shows this, "Is this you?" And then he shows me my YouTube channel. And I was like, "Yeah." And he's like, wow. And it's not it's not about stroking my ego, but it's just so cool when you actually meet someone that you have had an effect on with what you've done. The stuff I do on YouTube, sure, I see the numbers, I see comments, but when you see people in real life like that, it's inspiring. It makes you feel like you're doing something right.